Hello, juniors and seniors. Welcome to week 2 of quarter 4. You have 3 relatively simple assignments this week. I am away at PSSA testing out in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. So I will not have my office hours on Wednesday, but I should be back by the end of the week in case you have any questions or need any help with this work. The first thing you'll do tomorrow is lesson 11, transitioning to college with a learning disability. And then you have a bird seed. You haven't had a bird seed in a while. And I wanted it to be on self-advocacy because if you are going to go to college, or even if you're going to, right into the workforce, it's important to remind you that self-advocacy is super important as you prepare to leave high school. And then finally, we're following up this week with an article that you may remember in February. You did the first part of this article. It was a current event from the Disability Scoop magazine about changes that were approved in the House of Representatives to the Americans with Disabilities Act. Why is this important? Because the American Disabilities Act is what protects you once you leave high school, and IDEA is no longer in your tool belt. ADA is. And so there was a follow-up article written very recently in the beginning of April about the fact that it did pass the House, and now it is actually in the Senate for a vote. So I have provided a recording for you. If you don't want to read it yourself, there's also the link there that you can go ahead and read the article all by yourself. But the recording, I've read it for you. I've also provided you some information on what I want in response, which is a letter written to your representative on your feelings and your opinions on the matter. So if you have any questions again on this topic, I should be back at the end of the week. You can also Schoology message me or text me. I am checking my emails and such in the evening. Thanks and have a great week.